All right, everybody, as we said yesterday, that we are starting this Tele Maths with change of subjects because it has been the problem of most of our young ones. Let's look at some of the rules. You know, mathematics is full of rules and you have to obey the rules. What is the meaning of change of subjects? Look at the equal sign. Equal sign has two sides, the left and then the right. So if you are told to make something the subject, it means normally we use the word variable. Variable are symbols that we use in mathematics to represent unknown numbers. For example, you can see V, U, A, T. These are all called variables. They are alphabet, but it's not always that we use alphabet. You can use Greek symbols like alpha, beta, gamma, and those things to represent. They are standing there for some numbers. Yes, so we call them variables. So the alphabet that we use in mathematics and other symbols are called variables. Look at this situation. If you look at the equal sign, the right side is having U plus AT, and then the left side is having only V. Currently, I can tell you V is the subject. Being it the subject means let it stand alone at one side of the equal sign. Currently, V is standing alone at one whole side of the equal sign. And at the other side, we have U plus what? AT. Now, the question is, make T the subject. Make T the subject of this equation. It means we are going to make T stand alone at one side of the equal sign. And therefore, what do we have to do? We are going to bring all the other variables which are not T, U and then A, we are going to bring them to the other side. The the other side. But bringing them to the other side is the issue. Bringing them to the other side is not just like just bringing them. It follows certain rules. It follows certain rules. We want T to stand alone, but A is attached to the T and U is also attached to the T, but the A is more closer to the T and therefore it's the U that will go first. And because the U is adding, and here when you look at here, because we've not written any sign or symbol here, it means the U is positive. Anytime a number crosses the equal sign, its sign will change. If it's positive, it will become negative. And if it's negative, it will become what? Positive. That is the rule. And therefore, because the U is less attached to the T, is the U that you have to bring first. So you write V minus U equal to, then this side will be left with what? AT. I hope you get it. It was adding. Whether it was adding or subtracting, you can just bring it to the other side and change the sign. But because the A is very, very attached, whenever you see this, my students, whenever you see this, it means multiplication. It means the A is multiplying the T. A is multiplying the T. You know, they could have written it this way, but in mathematics, we normally bring it close like this. If there is any other symbol like plus or minus, it will be written as such. But if it is multiplication, we bring it very close. So this is the same as what? A times T. And per the rules, A must come here. But because A is multiplying, you divide. When it is multiplying and you want to bring it to the other side, the rule is you must divide. And the division that you are going to do, you are going to do it at both sides of the equal sign. This is what I mean. You divide this side by A and divide the whole of this place. If there were to be another one there, let me clean this part. Plus Q and all over. I hope you get it. Yes, so if you bring the A to the other side and you put it under one of these variables, it's wrong. So you have to make it all over what? A. And then you cancel this A, and then it will be left with V minus U all over A equal to this side is left with what? T. Now T is standing alone at one side of the equal sign. Okay, and therefore T is now the subject. Please, when you look at it this way, it doesn't matter. You can leave it this way or you can write it this way. Most students become confused when they get to this place. In fact, this one and this one are the same. Okay, very good. So this is a very simple question about the arrangement. Just get it into your mind that change of subject. See, as I told you initially, say the first me catch them. I have no vein subject because vein one is general. And yes, you say you make it Tino at the subject means you say Tino one side. Whether this side or this side is the same thing. But process now you know any A no and the other side, you know. And no any problem. They say who study rules, you know. I hope you get it. It's not always this is one of the simplest questions you can get. Question we put the F. But we are going to take examples. We are going to do more examples in our subsequent, shows or our subsequent whatever, so that you bet to me.
Nigga, you ain't never a competitor. I've been thrilling the crowd, I'm like a miracle. I ain't lying, nigga, you can check the polygraph. I'm a new kid with the old flow, copy that.